Hello, I'm John Worthen, president of Ball State University. Let me tell you about a very exciting program that is held every other year on the Ball State campus. It's called UniverCity. It's a program which provides an opportunity for students and faculty and members of the community to come together around a central theme.
Coming together is the heart of the UniverCity idea. To face the challenges of our very complex world, we need to share ourselves and our ideas. We need to take a little time from our highly specialized careers to freely communicate with each other. For no single discipline can have all the answers. No one profession or technology possesses the scope or range of vision sufficient to the needs of the Earth people in the 21st century. It is time to step out from our laboratories, from our workshops, from our offices and studios, and recapture a true community life of the mind. In a festival setting, UniverCity recreates the Chautauqua atmosphere of the 19th century, where all may find a forum to share their deepest concerns, where music, laughter, food, and a relaxed setting break down barriers and allow us, for a little while, to talk openly, to explore plans for working together on our most important problems.
I think the entire week was a rich and satisfying intellectual experience.
This festival has shown me that a lot of things are happening outside my own little world.
Ball State is to be congratulated for the bold concept of an academic festival, a celebration of learning.
Festivals are held worldwide, but rarely have I been to one whose basis is that of stimulating the intellect as well as the ability to have a good time.
UniverCity rediscovers the value of the university as a community or city, as well as a microcosm of the human universe. The idea is to cross over normal walls and tear down the barriers which create differences. UniverCity invites national speakers such as Alan Arkin, James Burke, Dr. Betty Edwards, Barbara Dana, and Dr. Sylvia Earle to share their insights and experiences. The sharing of ideas is the basis for UniverCity, as Ball State architecture professor Dr. Bruce Meyer comments.
This year's theme, Touching Home, came from a sense that we share a common environment at many levels. We share one planet, the home planet, if you will. We share, as citizens of the United States, a homeland, one nation. As citizens of a town or a community, we have some kind of common identity. And the fundamental building block of societies altogether, the family, lives in the home, whether it's a house or an apartment or a condominium or a grass shack. We all have a place to be, a place to give identity to the fundamental social group that we're talking about.
The final scope and impact of UniverCity 92 depends upon finding other support from beyond the Ball State community. Sponsors are invited to support UniverCity in exploring constructive alternatives to problems we share. Ball State architecture instructor Paul Lusso explains.
Through this support of this project, I think they can show that they're interested not only in supporting education, but in supporting innovation in education, to see if we can explore new ways to improve the way we approach education.
mysterious about university and college campuses. You have all those buildings, and within all those buildings are housed all those classrooms. And in all those classrooms, you have the nurturing of young minds. You have all these creative and inventive ideas. You have new ways of thinking. You have your hopes and your aspirations for the future. But if you're not careful, all these great inventions and ideas and our hopes can stay housed in those classrooms and never reach another audience. It takes an event like UniverCity to begin to break down those walls, to have a scientist work with an architect, to have a dancer work with a mathematician, so they all find their interconnectedness of ideas, a common goal, a common purpose, where we can all work together to make this earth a better home for all living things.
The following are confirmed events. This is just the beginning. With your ideas and support, UniverCity 92 will become a broad-reaching educational exchange.